There's one more piece now, because you brought up robotics. Okay, so we talked about the X-Plane Iron a couple weeks ago.
Yep.
And how they weren't really making it for factories in China because the labor's too cheap.
Yep.
So there's a company called Ubitech. I think it's Ubitech. They made a robot called the Walker S2. Okay. They've begun mass production and delivery of them. They're dexterous hands. They got 6 tactile sensors. They're about 5'9", 176 centimeters.
Okay.
Face looks a bit like it's out of Squid Games, so it's black. It has this big circle in the middle. So it's a little unnerving. It's made for factories. So it's moving things along manufacturing lines. It's got a 3D printed frame. It costs somewhere between $40,000 and $80,000.
Okay.
Whereas the Iron is supposedly up to $200,000.
Yep.
So much cheaper, which is why it can work in a factory. Here's one of the crazy things. It has hot swappable batteries that it can swap itself. So it'll go over to a rack of batteries and it goes bloop, and puts in a new one. And just goes back to work.
Oh, man.
So there's no downtime for charging. It doesn't have to stand in the corner charging. You can charge it that way.
Right.
Or it can just swap its batteries and get back to work. That's crazy.
That is crazy.
So they've secured over 800 million won, or 112 million US dollars in orders already this year. And guess what? Last week, they rolled out hundreds into Chinese factories.
No way.
Hundreds. They're there now. Hundreds of them just rolled out and deployed. It's the world's first large-scale humanoid robot delivery. They have a target of delivering 500 units by the end of the year.
Wow.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
They're making them cheap. They're getting them out there. I mean, that's scary for a place where the labor is so cheap. We're like, I don't know if we can afford a robot. Like to have a robot that can replace that labor.
Well, what's interesting is I just in passing read an article on Figure in BMW plants pulling their robot out after 13 months for different maintenance reasons and stuff like that. So that's a long cycle because it was working like the whole time.
Right.
If it does take a position on a line for that long and is continuous and it just works, there are a lot of people who are potentially factory workers who are going to find something else to do.
Yeah. Learn how to fix robots.
Exactly. Or learn how to fix robots. Exactly.
Yep.
Also, have you seen Sunday AI?
No.
It's a home robot similar to, it's actually very different from the Neo.
Okay.
But it's a home, folds clothes, does chores robot, and it's designed like robots in anime movies. It's like it's got like this orange cap on and its body like moves up and down on this elevation thing. It's really unique. Whoa. It's not humanoid.
Do you know who makes it? It's just called Sunday?
I think there's Sunday AI is the name of the company.
Okay. Yeah. So I may have put down a deposit on a Neo.
I may have done the same.
No. So whatever it was, the delivery is in 2026.
Yeah.
I wonder how much robot on V there's going to be a year from now.
Probably not a ton.
It's like you got the little gray guy going around with his little beady eyes. Like, hey, can I hold your clothes for you? And then the other guy's like they're just picking up stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I don't know. That's a really good question. Like in a year, will it be like, oh, wow, you were the first to have a robot? Who cares? There were 20 million robots delivered last Sunday or whatever.
Also, the Ubitech, the Walker S2 was on. No, it wasn't that one. It was another one that we talked about. It was actually on Walmart.com.
No.
Yeah, you could order them.
No.
Through their third-party delivery. It was on Walmart. Yeah, It was one that we talked about 2 weeks ago. I can't remember which one it was. It would have
been the G1.
It was probably the G1. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can just go on Walmart and order it. I checked; it's not there now.
Right.
but there was a lot of talk online about how it was available.
You can just get it on Walmart.
Yeah.
That's the best.
So is that going to happen? Are we going to we're going to get delivery of the Neos?
Yeah.
But there's going to be a better mass-produced robot already available at Best Buy.
What do? We're just have to get every one of them.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for sticking it out to this point. Do hit subscribe. Do tell your AI forward-thinking friends about us.
Yep. And your AI forward-thinking browser to click the button if you can't do it yourself. The doer.
Yeah. Get your doer, your web doer.
Get your doer to do it.
And we'll see you in 2 weeks when everything's changed
again.